Justin Kramesh, together with Rick Jacobson of CBRE, are proud to present to you 105 to 109 Ocean Beach Road, Sorrento, one of Victoria's most tightly held and prestigious coastal strips.
This is the first time this property has been on the market in over 40 years, with only 3 other transactions in the Sorrento strip since November 2024. Come with us and let's take a look.
A land-rich 627 square metre freehold title with wide 18 metres of frontage with rear lane access and rare 10 car spaces on title. This is a prime position within Sorrento's premier strip, leased to 2 national tenants on renewed leases. The property offers strong holding income with scope to reposition the asset down the line, appealing to developers, owner-occupiers and investors.
This is one of Australia's most affluent coastal catchments, Portsea Sorrento officially the wealthiest suburb in the nation. And the upside is rare. Favourable Commercial 1 zoning with scope to convert 2 tenancies into 3 or add a second level above for office or residential. With local apartment prices near 1.2 million, that residential uplift is significant. Income today, real value to unlock tomorrow. This property will be offered for sale by way of public auction on site on Saturday the 12th of September at 11 a.m. For further information, please contact Justin Kramesh, Rick Jacobson, Nathan Mathali or Scott Hawthorne.